We absolutely love this large dry erase magnetic teaching clock. It's been such a helpful tool for teaching our child how to tell time, especially when it comes to understanding both analog and digital time together. What I really love is how interactive it is. You can move the hour and minute hands to set a time on the clock and then have you or your child write the digital time right underneath. It makes the learning process very hands-on and helps everything click so much faster. It's also magnetic, which is great because we can leave it up on the fridge and practice throughout the day. The clock is bright, colorful, and really easy to read. The hands are clearly labeled, which takes a lot of the frustration out of learning, especially for beginners. I also appreciate that it's dry erase so we can practice over and over again without wasting paper. It easily wipes clean and it always looks like new again. It's a great size for homeschool, classroom use, or even just working at the kitchen table. Overall, this clock makes learning how to tell time feel simple, clear, and even fun. If you're teaching time at home or in a classroom, this is such a great learning tool to have on hand.